Hello, sir. Welcome to America.
Wag 'n bietjie. Julle praat net Engels in Amerika.
What?
Do you have someone wie weet om Afrikaans te praat hier? A translator for us.
No, sir, we do not. Marilei weet om
Nee
Engels
man,
te praat.
Marilei se Engels is so kak. Sy kan niks verstaan nie.
Sir, can we please continue? We do not have time, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna try to speak some English.
Thank you so much, sir. Now that you've landed here in the United States of America, there's some ground rules I have to
Het julle
apply.
biltong?
What the hell is that?
Okay, I'm gonna make it very simple. Can you guys give us a piece of land? And then what we're going to do is we're going to name that land Oranje Part 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to build our own little country there where it's just us Afrikaners. Is that okay with you?
I cannot assign land at this point, sir. That is something that we're currently...
Ek hoor niks, Marikie. Hierdie mens praat net Engels. Jy het gesê, hier in Amerika gaan ons nuwe land in... Fuck, man! What about rugby?
What, sir?
Because I have a kid here. He was in a school, law school, and I will rugby speel. Speel julle rugby in Amerika?
I do not understand, sir. We play football.
Hulle het nie rugby nie, Maritjie. Ek het jou gesê ons moet in Suid-Afrika bly.
Ag nee, my lief. Moenie huil nie. Nee, liefie. Kom nou, liefie.
Ek wil terug huis toe gaan, Maritjie, man. Ek kan dit verstaan hier, man. Okay. Can I please speak to the manager of the country of Donald Duck? Can I speak? What's daai persoon se naam weer?
Liefie, dis Donald Trump. Dis Donald Trump, liefie.
Donald Trump. Can I speak to Donald Trump asseblief? Ek het 'n baie belangrike vraag vir julle. A very, very big question. Is the whites more than the blacks in the country?
Yes, sir.
Mooi so. Hou aan.
Nee, my lief, dit is sulke
nee, dis die
vrae.
waarheid, Maritjie. Want if luister hier, my seun. As julle hierdie land vir die swart mense gee, dit gaan net kak wees, hoor. Dan is julle groot moeilikheid.
Liefie, hou op, man.
Maritjie, dis die waarheid. Okay, dis my laaste vraag, hoor. Dis listen very closely hier. As my laaste
Liefie,
question.
ek smoor kan hom
Maritjie, praat terwyl ek praat, man. I hear that here, the black people, I can call them kafir, and then they don't understand.
Jakkie, nee.
Maritjie, kan ek net 'n vraag vra asseblief, man?
Jakkie, jy kan nie
Ek moes jou gat in Suid-Afrika gelos het, man.